Hi, I am Lennart from WP Staging. Today I'm going to show you how to install the free version of our plugin to your WordPress site and how to clone your first personal WordPress site. I'm going to show you that on my computer. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to install the plugin, how to activate it, and how to clone your WordPress site. You go on Plugin and on Add New. Then you search for WP Staging and you will find WP Staging, Database and File Duplicator and Migration. You click on Install Now and now you activate it. Then you click on Start Cloning and here you will find a quick overview over the next steps. And after clicking Start Cloning, there will be another process bar with 4 steps. And we will see each other again when this process has finished. Congratulations, the process is now finished and we click on Open Staging Site. Here you have to enter your admin credentials, the same as on your basic WordPress site, and there's your staging site. Thank you for choosing WP Staging to clone your WordPress site, and thank you for trusting us.